Here come to the question number 5. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one day international cricket match. Runs scored, that is 3000 to 4000 for batsmen, 4000 to 5000 18 batsmen, 5000 to 6000 9 batsmen, 6000 to 7000 7 batsmen, 7000 8000 6 batsmen, 8000 9000 3 batsmen, 9000 to 10000 1 batsman, 10000 to 11000 1 batsman. Find the mode of the data. So I'm going to write the questions first over here. That is run score, run score 3000, 4000, 4000 to 5000, 5000 to 6000, 6000 to 7000, 7000 to 8000, 8000 to 9000, 9000 to 10000, and 10000 to 11000. Okay, here number of batsmen, number of batsmen that is F, 4 18 9 7 6 3. Do I have written question wrong here? 3000 to 4000, 4000 to 5000, 5000 to 6000, 6000 to 7000, 7000 to 8000, 8000 to 9000 to 10000, 10000 to 11000. Means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 3000 to 4004, 4000 to 5000 18, 5000 to 6009, 6000 to 7000 7, 7000 to 8000 6, 8000 to 9000 3, 9000 to 9000 10000 1. Again here 10000 11000 1. Okay, because of the space. Okay, so where is the maximum? The number of batsmen, 80 number of 80 number of batsmen has scored 4000 to 5000. So you make this one box. So this one will be your F1, this one will be your F0, and this one will be your F2. So here the maximum, frequency, the maximum frequency is 18. So the corresponding model class lies between 4000 to 5000. Okay, so lower limit, that is L. The lower limit is what? 4000. Class size, what is the class size? That is H. Class size, the difference is 1000. Then frequency of the model class, that is F1. Frequency of the model class F1. F1 is 18. Frequency of the preceding model class, that is F0, that is 4. Frequency of the succeeding model class, that is F2, is 9. Okay, now by using formula we get, therefore mod is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 into H to F1 minus F0 minus F2. L is our 4000. What is F1? F1 is our 18. F0 is our 4. 2 into 18. 4 minus F2 is our 9 into 1000. 4000. It will be our 14. 1000. Then 18 to the 36, minus 4 minus 9, it will be minus 13. Okay, 18 minus 4 is 14 into 1000. 2 into 18, 36, minus 4 minus 9 is 13. Then 4000 plus 14,000, 36 minus 13, 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. 4000 plus, we have to divide over here, 23. How many times? First 6 times. 6 3 is a 18, 1 carry. 6 2 is a 12, 13. It will be here 2, 0. So we cannot divide 23 with 20. So I have to give here 0. Then again 0 here. Now 8 times. 8 3 is a 24, 2 carry. 8 2 is a 16, 17, 18. 18. If I minus over here, it will be 6. It will be here 1. Again, so 23 cannot divide 16. So we have to put here decimal. Again 6 times. 6 3 is a 18. 6 3 is a 18, 1 carry. 6 2 is a 12, 13. 2. 5 minus 3, 2. Again 0. How many times? 9 times. 9 3 is a 27. 2 carry. 9 2 is a 18, 19, 20. 2. 10 minus 7 is 3. Will be 1, 0. Again how many times? 5 times. 5 3 is a 15, 1 carry. 5 3 is a 15, 16. So after decimal is 6, 9, 5. So 608.6695. So I can add this number. If I add this number over here, see here, 4000 decimal 000, then put here decimal, that's 806. Here is 695. If I add this number, what will get? 596.806 is 4608.6695. 695 4608. I have to put here 1 because the third digit is 5. If I plus over here, it will be 10 to 7. Okay, so answer will be this one. So you can write this one as runs, means that this 18 batsmen have scored this. All total they have scored that average run, this one 46 4,608.3 runs.